2022 5 Best Electric Bikes by Nakto. Is a USA brand electric bike manufacturer with a warehouse in Placentia, California. Nakto has proven itself to be a well-trusted brand of affordable, strong, safe and quality e-bikes. Due to their reliability and performance, many of their products have become a top favorite in the industry and is one of the highly demanded electric bikes here in Electric Bike Paradise. Today, we are bringing you our list of 5 best electric bikes made by Nakto that you will surely love to own. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Nakto Camel Women. As the name suggests, the Nakto Camel Women is an electric bike tailored specifically for women. It features the classic Dutch-style step-through frame with modern components installed, including a set of gorgeous 26-inch spoked rims with sleek road tires. The Camel Women is powered by a 250-watt DC hub motor and a 10-amp-hour battery, allowing it to travel with an estimated range of 20 miles more or less. It can be operated through both pedal assist and throttle for ease of travel and has a set of V-brake and expansion drum brakes. The bike also comes with a rear luggage rack and a front plastic basket, allowing you to bring stuff along your journey. The Nakto Camel Women is a reliable ride not only for women but for men alike and is perfectly suited for simple day-to-day cycling activities. Number 2. Nakto Folding Ox. The Nakto Folding Ox City Bike is a stylish folding electric bike featuring a classic step-through frame, black and white color scheme, and a brown saddle, giving it a nice old-school look. The Ox comes with a very capable 500-watt DC hub motor, powered by a 10-amp-hour battery pack, and has a set of 20-inch premium fat tires, suited for tough off-road situations. It can travel up to 20 miles through throttle support alone and up to 30 miles through pedal assist. This bike is compact and has a mid-fold folding frame, making it easy to fold. The bike also comes with a 6-speed Shimano derailleur, a front V-brake, a front LED headlight, and rear disc brake with motor safety cutoff. If you would like a reliable and compact e-bike suited for off-roading, then the Nakto Folding Ox is something you would want to check out. Number 3. Nakto Pony. If you are in need of an easy-to-ride electric bike suited for carrying items along the way, the Nakto Pony is a great choice. It has a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds and features a wide metal cargo rack on the front and a rear rack. This electric bike has a travel range of 15 to 20 miles, giving you more than enough power through its 10-amp-hour battery pack. It also features a twist throttle and a pedal assist feature, powered by its 250-watt brushless DC hub motor with a speed sensor to travel with less effort under the influence of extra load. Just like the other Nakto e-bikes, it also comes with a set of front V-brakes, paired with mechanical disc brakes on the rear. The Nakto Pony bike is an astonishing ride to own, suited everyday transport, and is available in gorgeous white or orange finish. Number 4. Nakto Super Cruiser. The Nakto Cruiser electric bike is a cruiser-style e-bike built with durable steel frame, paired with 4-inch fat tires and a powerful motor. This cool-looking e-bike packs a powerful 500-watt rear hub motor that can deliver a top speed of 28 miles per hour. You'll also never be short of gas because this e-bike's 36-volt 12-amp-hour battery has a mile range of up to 35 miles, giving it more than enough power to last throughout the day. The Nakto Super Cruiser electric bike is specifically built for off-roading and comes with a front fork suspension, 160mm Tektro disc brakes and 26-inch spoked rims, making it one of the best e-bikes you would want to own. Number 5. Nakto Discovery. With a compact BMX-style frame, front fork suspension and all-terrain fat tires, the Nakto Discovery speaks capability in both on-road and off-road situations. This e-bike features a 350-watt rear hub motor, 8-amp-hour battery, 6-speed Shimano gear system, a throttle, and a pedal assist hooked to a sensor, packing it with all the necessary components of an e-bike at a very affordable price. The Discovery has a travel range of 20 to 25 miles and can be on the go for only 6 hours of charging time. For its price, the Nakto Discovery Fat Bike comes with a multifunction LCD that shows essential details, ensuring you are able to keep track of your travel situation. The Nakto Discovery is a proven electric bike that will sure get you into your destination without any hassle. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more, you can visit us at electricbikeparadise.com for a list of our available products and contents, or you can contact our customer service team at 800-590-2738. As always, we ensure you the best quality and standard for the lowest price. Experience paradise at Electric Bike Paradise.